In Affinity, you can create all kinds of amazing gradients. You might also like to store them away for future use. So how to do that? PC and Mac. I've got a layer here, a fill layer. And you can see here I've got the fill tool selected. With this selected, you can see the gradient. It's a nice colourful one and I want to store it away. So just go over here to Swatches. And if I try and add it now, it will not work. What you need to do is select the Move tool. So with the Move tool selected, now you'll notice here you've got the gradient and you can go here, just go here and add current fill to Swatches. So click that and you can see it's been added. It's added as linear because it's a linear gradient. Go to the pixel menu and then down here to New Fill Layer. Create that. Then go over here and Fill Tool. So with the Fill Tool, you can now add a gradient. Now initially, it's linear. But you can go down here to the Context toolbar and you can see I can change it from linear to, say, elliptical. But also what I can do, I can now move it around, reposition it. Also, I can add new stops to it, new colour stops. So just go down here and you can click here. And with this, you get this panel. And you can then, you can't move it, you can't resize it, unfortunately. But what you can do is if you want to insert a stop, say at 50%, just click Insert and it will place it in the center. Just click that one. That's the current selected stop. Just click here, the color. And now I can change it to say red or green or blue, etc. Also, click this one. This is the first stop. Again, click that one. And I can change it maybe to blue. So I can create all kinds of super colourful designs that way. Also, I can manipulate it even more. If I've got this one selected, you notice here I've got a midpoint. I can click here and I can change midpoint so I can make it redder or go that way and it will make it blue depending on the colour of the stop, of course. And now I can select this one and I can insert another one here. So insert and that will put it at the 75% position. Now I can move them, so I can select this one and you can see I've got position here. I can just change the value, so I can just move it around and you can put it, say, there. And again, I can change the colour. So maybe go for a yellow or something. So a whole range of different options are possible. You can also go here and just double click and add a stop and then click here and then just change the colour. So once you're happy with your gradient, you want to store it away. Now, as mentioned, if you go over here with the fill tool selected, you can only see the blue there. That's that one here. That's no use. What you want is the entire gradient. So again, go up to the Move tool. With the Move tool selected, now when you go over here to the Swatches, just click here and you can see you've got it here. So it's there and just go down and I'm going to use the gradients. You could use any of the various swatches, type, colours, etc. But it's obviously more logical to put them in gradients. And with that, just go here and add current fill to palette. So just click that and you can see now, because the current one is elliptical, it's stored as elliptical. Of course, you can then select it and apply it just as normal as a swatch. So where's the Swatches panel? All you need to do is go up here to Window and General and just down here to Swatches. You can see obviously layers there as well. What if you want to add it as another type, a conical? So what you can do, again, I've got this gradient here, and if I select, again, the Fill tool, you can see I can move it around, reposition it, but I can just go here and go for, say, conical. So select that, and now I've got a conical gradient here, and I can then, of course, change the colours as well. Just again, go down here to the Context toolbar. If you can't see the Context toolbar, go to View and Context toolbar and Show. So you can see it there. Just click here, and now, of course, you can change the colours. You can move them around, so reposition it. You can see obviously the gradient changes then. Maybe move the red there. Again, I can go to this white one, click here, and maybe change that to, say, green or something. So let's just put that there and change the midpoint, etc. You can also delete stops as well. There's a delete option. If you've got it selected, just click delete. Okay, once you've got this, you've got a conical one here. Exactly the same as before. Just go up here, select the move tool. With the move tool selected, go to the swatches, and you can again see the conical one there in the swatches. Just simply go here again and add current fill to palette. Just click that, and now you will see you've got the conical one. If you've got any questions or thoughts about this, it'd be great to hear from you.